Whether you just got keys to your brand new flat or took a leap on a resale flat, home renovation is pretty much unavoidable to a certain extent. Everybody's home journey looks a little different depending on your lifestyle, housing type, and budget. The scale of a renovation can range from a quick weekend furniture run to a full-blown architectural teardown. In this video, I'm going to break down the 7 levels of home renovation in Singapore. Level 1 would be the 15,000 DIY and flat pack build. So usually new BTO owners on a tight budget, tenants, or minimalist homeowners, they would prefer modular flexibility rather than custom build. The vibe would be clean, functional, and easily changeable furniture. At this entry level, heavy hacking and built-in carpentry are kept to a minimum or skipped entirely. Most of the budget goes toward essential appliances such as a reliable washer, fridge, and also aircon system, plus lights, curtains, and basic electrical work. Instead of custom carpentry, you rely on modular flat pack furniture from places like IKEA, Taobao, or other online platforms. The pros is that it is budget-friendly and gives you total freedom to rearrange or replace items down the road. But do keep in mind that you would need to assemble quite a few items yourself or hire a handyman. Storage might also require a bit more creative planning without floor-to-ceiling built-ins. And then level 2 would be the 35,000 basic contractor package. This would be best suited for first-time BTO owners who want basic built-ins without paying design agency fees and planning to just flip the flat right after MOP. The vibe would be neat, sensible, and practical for daily living. If you know exactly what you want and you don't need extensive design 3D rendering, working directly with a main contractor is a popular and cheaper choice. This level typically covers essential built-in carpentry such as a custom kitchen cabinet set, a master bedroom wardrobe, and simple feature walls. It also includes basic ceiling false work, full house painting, and essential plumbing or electrical adjustments. The positive point is that you get sturdy, customized storage for daily essentials without breaking the bank, but do keep in mind that contractors focus on execution rather than interior design advice. You will need to take the lead on choosing colors, tiles, and overall aesthetics. And then level 3 would be the $60,000 Muji or Japandi Minimalist ID. This would be best suited for BTO or modern condo owners who want a curated, serene environment. The vibe is typically filled with light wood tones, warm neutral palettes, clean lines, and hidden storage. This is where hiring an interior designer becomes common. The popular Japandi or Muji-inspired aesthetic focuses on simplicity, natural light, and space optimization. At $60,000, the budget covers curated carpentry with concealed handles, seamless false ceilings, soft feature lights, and carefully chosen materials such as quartz, countertops, or fluted panels. The benefit is that IDs handle project management, spatial planning, and color matching, giving the home a cohesive visual flow. But do keep in mind that wood laminate surfaces and light-colored materials require mindful upkeep to stay looking fresh. And then level 4 would be the $100,000 hotel or wabi-sabi or open concept transformation. This is typically suitable for resale flat owners or couples wanting a boutique hotel atmosphere. The vibe is open spaces, curved arch, and also mood lighting. Crossing into six-figure territory usually means structural alterations. At this level, homeowners often hack down non-structural walls to create open concept kitchens, expanded master suites, or dedicated home offices with glass partitions. Expect premium finishes like textured paint, curved carpentry, custom bathroom vanity setups, integrated ambience light, and also high-end tile selections. The positive of this is that this approach completely changes how the home feels, turning standard layouts into spacious resort-like sanctuaries. But do keep in mind that hacking walls and retiling add significant labor costs and require HDB or MCST permits and structural engineering checks. And then level 5 would be the $180,000 full resale hackdown and smart home integration. This is typically being done for older resale HDBs or older condos needing a complete overhaul. The vibe when it's done would be modern, fully automated, and built to last at least for another 20 years. Older properties often come with generous floor space, but they also require a full reset. Level 5 involves stripping the unit back to bare concrete, rewiring the entire electrical system, replacing all plumbing pipes, waterproofing toilets, and hacking all existing flooring. Alongside top-tier carpentry and stone countertops, this tier frequently incorporated seamless smart home infrastructure, automated curtains, smart lighting scenes, keyless digital locks, and integrated climate control. This works because it eliminates hidden maintenance issues from previous owners while tailoring every single square foot to your modern lifestyle. But on the other hand, do keep in mind that this approach will take time. Do expect 3 to at least 6 months of renovation time, or it could be even more depending on the quality of the contractor or ID that you are working with. And during the renovation, temporary housing will be required. And then at level 6, you have the $300,000 luxury condo or penthouse fit out. This is typically being done by high-end private property owners looking for bespoke finishes. The vibe would be sophisticated, opulent, and tailor-made. Renovating a luxury condo or penthouse involves specialized craftsmanship and high-spec materials. At this level, you'll see imported Italian marble, custom book-match feature walls, motorized cabinetry, specialized acoustic paneling, and walk-in wardrobes styled like high-end boutiques. Working with condo management or MCST guidelines, noise restrictions, and specific delivery windows adds complexity and require experienced project managers. This approach definitely uncompromised comfort and luxury tailored precisely to personal entertainment and privacy preferences. But do keep in mind that natural stones and high-end materials require specialized care and professional maintenance over time. And then there's this level 7, which is the $1 million plus custom landed architectural build. This is typically being done by landed property owners, whether it's terrace, semi-detached, or bungalow, undertaking additions and alterations or complete reconstructions. This is definitely an architectural statement built from the ground up. Level 7 goes far beyond my pay grade. And it goes beyond just interior decoration. It enters into the realm of civil engineering and architecture. This involves redesigning the entire building envelope, adding floor levels, constructing private glass elevators, installing lap pools, and building custom basement suites. It requires close collaboration between registered architects, structural engineers, and main contractors to meet the URA and also BCA guidelines. This approach gives complete creative control to design a multi-generational legacy home tailored to your family's exact vision. But do keep in mind that timeline spans anywhere between 12 to 24 months, involve extensive regulatory approvals and ongoing site inspections. And obviously, during the renovation, you cannot live there. But if you're so rich to be able to afford $1 million plus renovation, then you don't have to be reminded that you need to rent out, right? You probably have another house anyway. Now, regardless of which level fits your current goals or situation, every renovation in Singapore comes with other expenses that you need to factor into your budget. Number 1 is permits and submissions. This will include HDB PE endorsement fees, MCST renovation deposits, or URA submissions. And then the second bucket would be haulage and post-reno cleaning. Clearing away debris and getting the place move-in ready often costs between $500 to $1,500. And then for temporary accommodation and storage, because if you're doing a major overhaul, do remember to account for short-term rental costs or you need to stay with other family members. And then last but not least would be furnishing and appliances. Renovation quotes usually cover fixed structures, so do remember to set aside a separate budget for soft furnishings, TVs, mattresses, and kitchen appliances. But my final thought is that there is no right or wrong when it comes to making a house a home. Whether you're assembling flat pack shelves with friends over the weekend or working alongside an architect to design a dream landed property, the best renovation is simply the one that makes your space comfortable, functional, and aligned with your financial peace of mind. But what do you think? Which level are you when you're doing your renovation? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. To support my work, you can give a one-time tip by pressing the thanks button, pick the amount that you want, and click buy and send. Or you can also press the join button for exclusive contents and monthly membership. Your support means a lot to keep us independent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.